Hello children, I am your maths teacher Netra ma'am from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Hope you all are safe in home. Mathematics class for 2nd standard. Today's topic is comparison of numbers. Rules for comparing two numbers. First, look at the digits in hundreds place. The numeral with more number of hundreds is greater. Let us see some examples. Now we should consider the numbers in hundreds place. Here we have 1 and 5 in hundreds place. 5 is greater than 1. Hence 500 is greater than 100. What if the numbers in the hundreds place are same? Let us see it. When the digits in hundred place are equal, then the numeral with more number of tens is greater. Observe these examples. Here the number in hundreds place is same, so we should consider the number in tens place. Here we have 6 and 2 in tens place. 6 is greater than 2. Hence 160 is greater than 120. What if the numbers in the hundreds and tens place are same? Let us see it. When the digits in tens place are equal, then the numeral with more number of ones is greater. Let us see some examples, children. Here the numbers in hundreds and tens place is same. So we should consider the number in ones place. Here we have 5 and 3 in ones place. See children, 5 is greater than 3. Hence 125 is greater than 123. What if the numbers in the hundreds, tens and ones place are same? When all digits are same, the numbers are equal. Yes, now we have learned how to compare two numbers. Now let us learn this with the help of an activity. This dog's name is Rosie. Now Rosie is very hungry. She wants to eat biscuits. There is a group of two bowls everywhere. One is greater and the other one is lesser. Help Rosie to get the bowl with the greater number of biscuits. There are also some thorns. Rosie should keep her leg on the group of thorns which has lesser number of thorns. Now Rosie has come. Let us see what it will do now. There are two bowls of biscuits now. Rosie is very hungry. She wants to eat the group in which more number of biscuits are there. Now, you say which bowl has more number of biscuits? Yes, you are right. The bowl with 76 biscuits has more number of biscuits. Oh no, there are thorns in the way. Rosie will get hurt if she keeps her leg on more number of thorns. Now, you say which group has less number of thorns? Yes, you are right. The second group has less number of thorns. Wow, you helped Rosie. Thank you for helping her, children. Let us see some explanation. Lesser numbers. The number which comes before while counting is called lesser number. For lesser number, we should put greater or lesser symbol in which the smaller side is facing the lesser number. Let us see some examples, children. 228 comes before 689. So, 228 is lesser than 689. 143 comes before 765. So 143 is lesser than 765. 537 comes before 926. So 537 is lesser than 926. Greater numbers. The number which comes after while counting is called greater number. For greater number, we should put greater or lesser symbol in which the bigger side is facing the greater number. Observe these examples, children. 963 comes after 228. So, 963 is greater than 228. 683 comes after 242. So, 683 is greater than 242. 853 comes after 397. So, 853 is greater than 397. Equal numbers. If the numbers are same, then we will put equal sign between them. Let us learn this with the help of an example. As you can see in the three pairs of numbers, the two numbers are equal. So these numbers are equal. Do this homework, children. Thank you. All the best for next activity. Stay home, stay safe.